morning and welcome along to the final episode of the Lamborghini video. As you can see, we're not at base this morning. We're actually out on road test and look how amazing it is. Can't get much better than this. So yeah, this is the fun part. Obviously there's been a lot of hard work, a few grey hairs along the way, but we get there in eventually. And as you can see, the engine's all back in running nice. Gearbox was obviously one of the big hurdles whilst it was out. We had a bit of wear on one of the shafts, so we've been out road testing, making sure that performs how it does. And yes, it's nice and quiet, no whining noises. Change is really nice. It's been quite a lot of a sort out whilst we've been putting the engine back in. So a lot of the routing of the pipes, the aircon pipes, try to get it back to where it should be really. There's been a few hands in there over the years and things not put back in properly. So yeah, we've a bit of a sort out, new coolant pipes everywhere, new rubber pipes, because there's a few old mixed and matched ones, new inlet bellows. Then we set the timing up, and then before we put the airbox back on, we've had to balance the carburetors. 6 carburetors in there, so yeah, it takes a bit of time to balance them and tune them up. But yeah, it's running a lot nicer than what it was. Before we've done the balancing and obviously set the points, we have new plugs, air filters, so it's all ready to go to be tuned. Yeah, and obviously out on road test, we check everything's working, it's performing how it should do. Very pleased with the end result. So hope you enjoyed the videos. Look forward to seeing you next time.